Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to change display size on your iPhone 17 Pro. So if you want icons, text and buttons on your iPhone 17 Pro to appear larger or give yourself more screen space, you can adjust the display size using option Display Zoom. So here's how to change it. First of all, of course, open settings on your phone and you have to scroll down until you reach display and brightness section. And this menu basically controls how things look on your screen. So you have to go to section display zoom and you will see here two options. This is larger text and default. So in default section, in default mode, it will be like I have on my screen, so it's default sizes. And if I go to larger, if I go for larger option and select it by tapping done button in the top right corner of my screen, it will restart my iPhone quickly, and you can see that all the icons and basically the text is now much more bigger and everything looks bigger. Let me go back and I will switch back to my default, to my previous one. So yeah, that's basically it. I really hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.